how do you know if a website is WordPress or not? A lot of different ways to build a website nowadays. But let's say you're doing some research, some recon, whatever that might be, to go look up and see how a website is made. My name is Andy with Oscar Can Do It. We've been building WordPress websites for 2 decades. We've seen a lot. We know a lot. If you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe down below. But let's get into it. So we're going to start off with one of the more complex ways, just to get that out the way. We are on a website. We can right click on the website and go click inspect. So if you don't see this inspect, you're going to have to go up into your browsing like settings and go open up the developers and stuff like that. So whole different thing. If you don't see it, go Google it. But you should be able to right click and see inspect. And so now we're going to be into a bunch of code. You're like, Andy, like, what is all this? What you want to do is go up here to the head right here. We want to open to this little triangle right here. We're going to click to open it. And now I'm going to make it easier on myself. And I'm going to click Command F for Command Find. And I'm going to type in WP-content. Okay, so you see down here in the bottom, you see there's 1 out of 135 different instances of this. So we know this is WordPress content. So this is the file that has all the graphics and stuff like that WordPress by default has. So we know this is a WordPress website. Another way to go about doing this is if we were to go up into the domain, and you see our domain is up here at the top. And if we add to the end of it, and this is just the root domain, so you don't want anything after .com or .co or whatever it is. So after .com, I'm going to do /wp-admin. And if this shows up, this login screen will show up if this is WordPress. So this is step number 2. Let's go to a secondary site. Let's go to another site and go to and I already knew what that website was built because we built it. But if we go to this domain, we do /wp-admin. We should get a 404 error because technically, 404. So this doesn't have anything. And then let's go to another website. This is /wp-admin. So this also does not have a way of logging in the way of WordPress. So again, those are the 2 ways that you can go. Those are 2 of the 3 ways that are easy to go in and go see if a website is done. This is actually even easier to do. If we go into our Chrome extension and we go actually look for Wappalyzer right here. Let me click on this. This is going to open up. And it's going to, as soon as it wants to load, it's going to show all the technology that's on this site. You can see it's using a bunch of different things like YouTube and React and WordPress. And we know the CMS, this is WordPress. So cool, we know how this is being built and stuff like that. Let's go over to another website just so you can kind of see what other websites look like. So if we go to here and we go to Wappalyzer, now you can see this is a Wix website, cool, and then it's using all these different things. You can see the CDN right there, a bunch of different aspects that you could take notes from or use or whatever. And then now we're on this other website, and we're going to go do the same thing, Wappalyzer. And so now you can see this one is a Shopify store. So we have Wix, Shopify, and WordPress, and now you can kind of see everything that's in there. But if you like this kind of content, this is, my name is Andy with Oscar Marketing, or Oscar Can Do It. We do have a free group that has a whole bunch of other content and free courses and stuff like that, and a community that actually allows you to be able to ask questions. We have calls every day of the week. That today is actually Tuesdays. Tuesdays are automations and systems. So we have an hour-long phone call every day of a different marketing topic. So if you are a business owner and this does appeal to you, go join our group at join.oscarcandoit.com, and we'll see you on the next video.